By the way, y'all, I thought I'd say Happy Thanksgiving. Hope y'all are saying screw the government and going to go see your family. Life is very fleeting. You may not see them. This might be the last day you have a chance. You never know. Because life is very fleeting. Take that from a person who has no family. They've all died. One day you'd think, well, I'll go see them in a month, 2 months, whatever. And then the next thing you know, they done passed away on your ass. You don't get to see them again. So, take your time to be with your family and say hi. Take your time with your family. Go see them. Even if you have to sit 5, 6 foot apart, at least go see them. Have a good one, guys.